guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is the first time you're seeing me, then I think you guys should subscribe. As you can see from today's look, this is a very traditional look and it's very simple to do, guys. Yes, this is like a step-by-step for everyone who is a beginner to do makeup, and this look will suit when you want to go for a wedding or you want to go for a temple or something on a grand traditional day or something like that. Then this is going to be apt for you guys. So I'm going to be telling you guys tips and tricks on how you can make your makeup last long when you're going for the temple or for the wedding. When you're going to be there for like 5 to 6 hours, you want your makeup to stay and not go off. So I'm going to be telling you tips and tricks at the end of the video, so please watch the video till the end. And without any ado, I think we can get started.
First step, I'm applying a primer on my face, just on the areas needed. I'm using the Color Bar primer. It is very good. It's a silicone based primer. Next, I'm using an eyeshadow brush to apply an eyeshadow that is a little bit darker than my skin tone to define my crease. I'm applying it a little bit above my actual crease because the area is bigger. I'm blending it really well. I'm using another darker shade that is a little bit darker than the previous shade to define it even better and give it a beautiful look. Next, I'm applying a golden eyeshadow just on the center, just focusing it on the center using my fingers. And I'm going to be later on blending this using a eyeshadow brush, the same brush that I had used to apply my colors on the crease area. Just going to be blending it really thoroughly so that there's no bits and pieces seen. I'm applying the same gold eyeshadow a little bit more for a little more intense look. Next, I'm going to be applying Nicka K's Radiant Gold Eyeshadow. This is the liquid eyeshadow just on the center where the light hits my eye. Gives a very beautiful dimension to your eyes, guys. You should try this liquid eyeshadow. Just smudging it using a eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be repeating the same process on my other eye as well. And next step, I'm going to be tightlining my upper eyelid using my upper waterline, using a kajal pencil. You can use any kajal of your choice. Now next step is the eyeliner. I'm using the Nyka's Luxe 24-hour eyeliner. I'm not applying any dramatic wing, just a small wing and a very normal liner, not so thick, not so small as well. Next, time for foundation. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Mahogany. This is really an awesome foundation. I just love this foundation, guys. I'm doing a review for this foundation on my next video, though I got this foundation a little earlier. Then I made a video next and it's going to come up on my channel next up. So I'm blending all of this using a beauty blender. Next step, I'm using a concealer. You can skip this step if you want, but I'm using the concealer from the Makeup Revolution palette in a shade just like 2-3 shades darker than my original shade, and I'm blending it all seamlessly using a beauty blender. Next, I'm using a darker shade from the same palette. This is a Victoria's Note palette. I got this from an Instagram vendor. I'll put her link in my description box as well. And also, guys, I noticed that the light was hitting too hard and you guys couldn't see the products properly on the screen. So I'll be giving the description of the products as well in the description box so that you can have a look at what products I've used. I'm using a powder brush to contour my face using a darker shade. You can use any shade that suits you to contour your face, the correct shade. Next up for blush, just a little bit of blush, not so much, just a natural flush because I don't want this entire look to be very dramatic. I'm going to be doing the same process that I did initially for my crease area, leaving only the glitter out. I'm going to be doing the same process again, applying the same shadows again on my lower eyelids as well. Next, I'm using a blending eyeshadow brush. Actually, this is a blending brush. I'm applying it, using it to apply my eyeshadow, not my eyeshadow, sorry, my highlighter. Just smudging the highlighter really well so it blends in. And I'm repeating the same process again on my other eye as well. I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder to set everything in place. I'm using LA Girls powder, using the same powder brush. Next, I'm defining my eyebrows. This is the L'Oreal's Brow Pomade, the shade Brunette. Just a little, not so much. And now I'm applying kajal. This is the kajal from Faces, which I've raved about in all my videos already. This kajal does not move at all. Next, I'm going to be applying my lipstick. I just removed the lip balm from my lip that I've applied previously. I'm lining my lips with a Nika K Bold lip liner. I think it's in the shade Chocolate, I'm not sure. Next, I'm applying lipstick. A very subtle lipstick from Nika's Matte collection. I think this is in the shade Chocolate Mocha or something like that. I'm not sure about the shade. I will let you guys know in my description box. This is a mascara from Essence. Just gives a beautiful lift to your eyelashes. I've already applied my false lashes. They are from glam. They're very wispy and very natural. They don't give you a very dramatic look. And to finish this overall look, I'm applying a bindi. You can set your face using a spray, but I haven't because I was going to remove this makeup look immediately. This is the complete look, you guys.
So this is the finished look. I put on some lashes. The lashes are very minimal. They are not very dense. They're very simple, and they're not very dramatic. So when we're going for a wedding, we don't want to look extra dramatic, or if you want to look extra dramatic, then you can change your lip color a little bit brighter, and you can also wear heavy glam lashes. I was telling you that I'm going to be giving tips in this video, so here you go. Like prep your lip. So I'm sorry, I'm looking at the note because I might forget what the tips are. So prep your lips. So before you start your entire makeup, you want your lipstick to stay longer, then you have to scrub your lips before you start everything and put on some thick layer of lip balm, whichever lip balm you like. So you have to put the lip balm and let it stay, because you'll obviously put your lipstick in the last, so it has to stay on your lips. So before you put your lipstick, make sure that you wipe out the lip balm completely and then put on the lipstick. So in that case, your lipstick is going to last longer. And one key point that I want to tell people is if you're going to wear a dress that has gold sequins in it, then go for a gold based eyeshadow. Your eyeshadow and the dress which has a background of gold or silver. If your dress has silver in it, go for a silvery kind of eye look. In that case, if you're going to wear a gold dress and a silvery kind of eye look, it will not go well together. So you have to make sure that your eyeshadow shade goes well with the color that is there in your clothes. So while we wear traditional clothes, usually they have a tint of gold or silver or bronze. So choose your eyeshadow shade with respect to that. In this look, I have used a bronzy gold because there is gold on my clothes, and also I'm wearing gold jewelry. So with respect to your jewelry, with respect to your dress, please put on your eyeshadow so that it'll look better. And one key point is, I have not shown in this video, so once you apply your foundation, you can take some ice cubes and rub it all over your face so that it stays put on together, and in that case your foundation will not melt in future. You can also spray a setting spray. I'm not going anywhere outside, so I didn't want to spray my face with setting spray. So if you're going for a wedding or somewhere where you want your makeup to last longer, then you can use a setting spray. So these are my tips for today, and until next time guys, bye bye.